A private aircraft made an emergency landing at HAL airport in Bengaluru, and the aircraft's skillful landing has gone viral on social media. The nose landing gear of a Beech 390 Premier aircraft that was making an emergency landing at Bengaluru's Hindustan Aeronautics Limited airport on Tuesday did not fully extend for the touchdown. Gopal Sutta, spokesman for HAL, said an aircraft from private aviation took off from Bengaluru International Airport but had to return to HAL due to a problem with its landing gear. After thorough investigation and study, it was discovered that the nose wheel was not entirely down. The plane was given permission to make an emergency landing. Aircraft made a landing without a nose wheel after taking all necessary safety measures such as avoiding fire on the runway. Both pilots are safe, he added. The runway remained unaffected. Aircraft's recovery is currently in progress.